Bye.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm back with another TikTok dance challenge from
What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl.
So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so remember this is a mirrored view, so this is my left and this is my right. So we will break this down into two parts, and the first 8 count is like this. So we go like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now let's break this down. So first step that we need to do is to step forward. So we'll just step forward and make our hand like this. So we go like 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. So I will step my right foot, 1 and 2. Next step is I will just step my right foot. So I will just step it up and then bring out my hand. So we go like step, bring out, and then when I reach here, I will just roll my right hand. Okay, one more time. So we go like 1, pop, and roll. Okay, so when you roll your hand, I will just step my right foot. Now let's take it one more time. Let's take it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Next is lift your right knee. So I'll just lift my right knee and then wave facing on the right side and then shake it out your hand. Okay, one more time. So from here we go like boom and shake. Now let's do it one more time. Let's take it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the next step is like this. So from here is I will just close my feet. So when I close my feet is facing here on the upper right, and then make your hand like this. So when I change it, it will look like this. Okay, so we go like from here, boom, twist, and then kick it out. Okay, so when you kick it out, you will just snap your finger. Okay, now let's take it from the top. Let's take it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Jump. 7, 8. Now let's try it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now let's try a little bit fast. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now let's try this in the slow music.
Switching sides, only switching angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo. What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little.
Now let's move on to our second 8, and this will be our last step for this challenge. So after this, now we will go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now let's break this down. So the first step that we need to do after this is I will just move my legs facing on the right side. So I will just move it here, okay? And then my hand is facing on the opposite side. So watch, something like this. We go like 1, and next is I'll just put my right hand here on my head, and then my left hand is here. So from here, we go like boom, open my legs, and then close it, okay? So when you close it, it will look like this. Now let's take it one more time. So from here, we go like 1 and 2 and. Okay, one more time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and. Next is slide forward. So I will just slide going to the left side first. I'll just slide it, and the next slide going to the right side with your hands, and then brush your left foot. Okay, now let's try it. So from here we go like slide, slide, and then brush. Okay, so when you brush your feet, I'll just put it down and then close your feet. Okay, one more time. Let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and. Now let's try it one more time. Let's take it slowly. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and. The last step is the 7, 8. So pop your left knee first, right and left. Okay, so only 3 times. Now let's try it from the top. Let's take it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now let's try a little bit fast. So are you ready? So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now let's try this in a slow music, and then after that we will do the normal speed. So are you ready? Let's go.
Switching sides, only switching angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo. What it is, ho? What's up? Every good girl needs a little love. Every bad boy needs a little love. If we put it down, I'ma pick it up. What it is, ho? Switching sides, only switching like Rambo. What it is, ho? Good girl needs a little love. If we put it down, what it is, ho?
Okay guys, so that's it for today. So hope you learned something again from me. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, make some comment, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. But before we end this video, I just want to shout out to So that's it, and see you guys on my next video. Peace out.